Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use another device to charge your Samsung Galaxy S25. Okay, so first make sure that you have the wireless power sharing enabled on both devices. For example, I have my Samsung S25 Ultra here, and I have the wireless power sharing enabled. So first, to enable it, go to settings, and here I find the wireless power sharing and make sure that it's enabled. And if we have our second phone here, so let's just put it down for a bit and put the phone like this. And if we put the device in the middle, as you can see, our Samsung is in fact charging. You can see the icon right here. So if you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.